Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and I have some news for you. I can't believe it! The 12 Cards of Christmas series is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and we're celebrating together with you with a never seen before amazing giveaway. This ultimate giveaway will have 12 different winners. Each of them will choose their own prize. Yes, you heard me. So check out all the details how to join below. How exciting! So welcome to the second card in the 12 Cards of Christmas series. You have a link to the measurements in the description under the video, and we can go ahead and start making our extended accordion card. So you can download all the measurements and then pre-cut your pieces. So we're going to take our base and then basically fold it in half and then in half again. You don't even need to score, you can simply skip that first part. Just fold it in half and then go back and fold it in half again. So it's like a mini accordion. It is an extended accordion card. And then we're going to take our second piece, leave that aside for a minute. And we're going to take our second piece and score it at 4 1/4 and 8 1/2. So basically we're creating another small accordion. We're going to join those two cards or two pieces together. So we're going to fold that a mountain and a valley fold. So this is our second piece. We're going to attach the longer piece of the smaller accordion, attach glue to the bottom, but only on that right part, because we're going to attach it to the front of this small panel, so we don't need glue on all of the surface. And you attach it, aligning it with the corner on the left and the edge, and then you have your extended accordion. All you need to do next is bring in your cover papers and cover your accordion. This is what you should get. And then you can go ahead and embellish it and add your sentiments, whatever you want. So this is my finished card. I have attached a longer piece on the front, a larger piece that extends the boundaries of the white cardstock base. And then you can use a double-sided cardstock or another piece. And then here you can write whatever you want, add whatever embellishments that you want, add a photo even. I didn't cover those parts, but you can do that as well if you want to. And it looks great when it's standing on its own. So I really hope you like this. Is a really easy and fast card. I really hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. And of course, don't forget to join our amazing giveaway that is running now. You can find all the details below in the description, including how to increase your chances of winning these amazing giveaway. You have all the details below, so go ahead and check it out. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you next time.